Hi, I am Maya. What is your name? Great. I will read a book to you. It is called The World of Trucks, Big and Small. There are many different kinds of trucks on the road. Some are big and some are small. Trucks have many jobs and carry all kinds of cargo. Are you ready to learn about the fascinating world of trucks? Fantastic! Let us begin. Small trucks haul many things too large for a car. Washers, dryers, and furniture can be delivered across town. Some people rent them to transport their belongings when they move. The back has a door like a garage that rumbles up and down. Big trucks are also called semis or big rigs. The driver rides high in the cab and the cargo rides in the back. A pin connects its front and back so it can turn this way and that. A crane truck has a crane mounted on its trailer. It moves heavy loads like lumber to where they need to go. The load hangs from the crane suspended in the air. The truck transports it carefully as it moves nice and slow. A dump truck is also known as a tipper. Dump trucks help construction workers move the things they need. Their back beds lift up high and everything dumps out. It carries loose material like gravel, dirt, and concrete. Fire trucks transport brave firemen to the scene of the fire. Their sirens flash and wail to clear the road ahead. The trucks are equipped with lots of gear like hoses and tall ladders. Fire trucks can be any color, but most of them are red. Flatbed trucks do not have roofs or walls. Their beds are completely flat and can carry oversized loads. They often carry construction equipment, lumber, and even cars. Truckers take special classes to learn how to drive them on the road. A garbage truck helps sanitation crews collect the city's waste. With a push of a button, the truck lifts the trash bins up. The trash is then compacted so all of it will fit. Garbage trucks then haul it off to the city dump. A pickup truck is like a car, but has a long back bed. They are very useful when you have things you need to tote. Some have big tires so they won't get stuck in the mud. Pickup trucks are very strong and can tow big things like boats. The road train is the largest truck in the world. Road trains can pull a single, double, or triple load. It is usually used in rural areas hard to reach by car. It hauls things like livestock and fuel. Tanker trucks have a long cylindrical tank. This tank is insulated to keep its cargo hot or cold. Tanker trucks are often seen on the highway hauling heavy loads. They carry liquids, gases, and chemicals to stores where they are sold. Tow trucks are also known as wreckers or breakdown lorries. They help cars that break down and cannot go. The tow truck operator pulls up the car with a wheel lift. They tow them to the mechanic, who gets them back on the road.